This is my 1950 Quincy air compressor. It's a 3.5 horse, 73 gallon. Can't remember the model. See if that shows up. 310. Got it for 150 bucks. And works great. Air pressure kicks on at 125 and off at 175. I linked it into this tank and temporary just use these glad hand lines off the semi, some spares. But it works great, keeps up. Haven't used it a whole lot, but the little bit I have, it's worked awesome. It's even got the old school on and off button. Pretty cool. It's a little dirty and grimy, but it works really good. It's quiet, real quiet. It's got air, built air in it now, so otherwise I'd kick it on. But I had this old tank from a different compressor that took a crap a long time ago, but it does great. One of the quietest air compressors I've been around for as big as it is. It builds air pretty quick. And I just got this hose right up here through the rafters and over to that hose reel. That's pretty damn handy. But yeah. If you come across one of these that's any good and the price is right, I'd get on it.